Good morning, people. We are in Falmouth, Trelawny by the pier. Me and my big son, you know. We didn't vlog this morning because we had to rush out the house. We thought we were supposed to be ready at 7:45 and then it was 6:45. So everything happened in a rush. So the day is going to be spent here at the Falmouth Pier. As you can see, there's a monster ship in the background. And we are at Margaritaville. Yeah? Come on in the shop, Corey. Oh. We're at Margaritaville. And we'll be going in for some drinks later, but because we just got here, we're going to be doing a lot of walking around and looking and feel the place out and do. Yeah, we're going to buy some souvenirs, do some photo shoots as well, you know, and that'll be it. So we'll keep you guys posted throughout the day and let you all know.
Actually in Falmouth. Did you say that already?
So that Falmouth, the pier.
And we are actually on familiar ground.
Familiar grounds. We used to live nearby here, so this used to be our local town before all this built up.
Yeah.
It's been a while since we've been here, but so we're in home grounds.
Yep.
But we're in tourist mode, so we have to do what we do. All right, until then, peace.
Ciao.
How you feeling? We just riding around. Lovely day. Spin around with me. Spin around with me. Lovely day.
We're in one of the rich places. Got Rolex stores, Pandora
Rolex.
stores, diamond stores.
Got everything. Who this guy? Let's go. Follow us.
Good morning, people. So today is the 10th of August, Thursday, 2017. And yesterday we did Falmouth Pier. We were there for hours. Falmouth Pier it's okay, it's interesting. We used to live nearby that area for quite some time when we was here in Jamaica living. And so it was good to see the transformation of Falmouth. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I have no flaws with the infrastructure and the way everything looked. It was just first class, superb. However, while in Falmouth and while I was at the pier, I got myself some souvenir. But I must be honest, it wasn't comfortable board. We have traveled a lot around the world and we have bought souvenirs around the world. Not being a stench, but I must say, when it comes to souvenir, Jamaica has turned out to be the most expensive place for souvenir. Baseball cap, t-shirts, they're asking you a fortune. I mean, we've traveled to Paris, we've traveled to Rome, we've traveled to Mexico, and you could get maybe 3 t-shirts for $20. Good quality t-shirts. Sometimes if you just want a single t-shirt, the most you would pay for a single t-shirt that's got the country's name on it is about $7. Jamaica is talking a minimum at the craft market in Falmouth, a minimum of $22. It was not happening for me. So I ended up buying this cap, which I thought, it was a reasonable price. I paid $12 US dollars in the end for this cap. And I thought, okay, I love baseball cap. I've spent a lot on baseball caps before. But other than that, we could go on about prices in Jamaica in regards to the craft market in Falmouth, and I could also speak on the supermarkets here and the prices, which some of them has really surprised me. I would say some prices are just ridiculous, but I'm not living here in Jamaica, not yet, so I don't quite understand the going-ons or the incomes that the people are making versus the prices in supermarket. So I can't so much argue that or debate on it much. At the moment, I'm just comparing to prices for things in Europe versus prices for things in Jamaica the 2 weeks that we've been here. But without no further ado, we are about to go out today. It's bleaky today. The skies look a bit gray, but that's on a plus side of things because the sun can be brutally hot.
Yeah, it did start off the day with the sun. Yeah, it was very hot at 7 a.m. this morning. It was like 85 degrees, maybe 90.
But I'm not complaining, you know, so I can deal with the bleakiness today. Today I have to go into Ocho Rios. We were just going to walk into the town, but I'm going to stop somewhere because I've got some business to take care of and need some papers, some documents to be signed. It have to be done by a Jamaican official. So I have a friend that's in Kingston. He's a police inspector, and he's kind of referenced me to someone here. So we're going to go to Ocho Rios. We're going to see if we meet up with this person. Also supposed to meet up with a second person in regards to books and publishing. Hate mixing business with our vacation, but if the opportunity rise and someone is interested in being published and wants us to be behind them or help them in any editorial, that's where we come in. Until then, we may do some scenery shots in Ocho Rios to make this vlog a little more interesting.
Show us what we bought, if you bought anything.
If we buy anything, then we'll show.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's it. Ciao. Peace.
2 hours later.
And we are back from Ocho Rios. We didn't actually do much because considering that this is Jamaica, what was supposed to take 5 minutes ended up taking hours. Anyway, on the plus side of things, the most exciting thing I think I can say we've done today, other than being sweaty and all humidity, is we got ourselves some mangoes. These are blacky mangoes in Jamaica. we're about to wash these and chow down sometime throughout the day. We stopped at Juici beef patty and bought ourselves a dozen patties. So that's the patties, but I need you guys to be able to see it. So that's it there. That's a dozen Juici beef patty there. And we're about to have that maybe with some Ardo bread or something like that in a minute. We bought ourselves some malta, but they weren't cold, so we had to put them in the refrigerator. I think I put them in the freezer just for a few minutes. So that's them in the freezer there. And that should be all right in about 15 minutes, half an hour. The wife is at the back. We thought it was gonna rain, so while we were leaving, we took the clothes off the line because we didn't want it to get extra wet. So there she is, Jamaican mode, washing, and on the vlog. So, what we're gonna do now, other than being humid and sweaty,
We're gonna cool down first.
gonna cool down, probably go to the swimming pool because I'm really hot, man.
Yeah.
You know?
This is coming lower and lower.
Didn't think I could get any darker, but there you go.
How does this go up?
Okay, I'm gonna help her with this clothesline if I can, and then we'll get back to you guys in a minute. So, peace. Well, I didn't have to help much with the clothesline. She figured that out herself. That's how Jamaican she has become in the last couple of days. So, I'll let you see her in action doing her thing. What are you doing now?
We're just trying to stop the line from dropping. It's done. Yeah, really hard gal, these, you know. More wash. Woman's work is never done.
Hello, people. Going to the pool, but today is our last full day in Jamaica.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Yeah. So we
don't want to
will
leave.
we were packing all morning, and yeah, it's, you know, another week would be all right.
Definitely. I
Yeah.
think next time we have to
Yeah.
make it a 3-week vacation.
Definitely.
Yes.
So we're gonna walk to the pool and take a dip at the pool, and then we'll come back and get something to eat, and then decide if we're gonna stay in all day or are we gonna go out.
Last minute souvenirs or something.
Yeah. Souvenirs here in Jamaica has been ridiculously expensive. I'm not lying, you know. In comparison to the other countries that we've visited, the souvenirs here in Jamaica is just ridiculous where prices are concerned. But let's see, you know, I'm going to the, hopefully they've got like, which I'm sure they have souvenirs at the airport. I'll see what those prices.
I think that would be worse then because it's the last minute stop.
Well,
They kind of like bleed you, I think, anyway. If you all agree with me, say so, because I think at the airport is a whole lot more. Because it's your last stop, so they put some heavy tax or heavy numbers on their prices. So.
we'll see, but I'm not really happy with the prices of the souvenir that I've come across so far.
That's the
you know.
disappointment in Jamaica. Everything else is fine.
Everything else is fine. I mean,
But it's the prices. I don't
the
understand.
prices, the
they've
last
gone
time we were here in 2008, I'm not expecting the prices to stay the same.
No.
But this is Jamaica, so if I come here with Swiss francs, I'm expecting to be at an advantage point, and there was not much of an advantage point
No.
with the financial exchange and the cost for things.
And when some of the groceries are more expensive than what you pay in Switzerland.
Some of
Switzerland is supposed to be
the
the
most expensive country.
in
And there's
Europe.
things here that's more, toothpaste is more expensive in Jamaica than it is in Switzerland. It's just ridiculous. But other than that, you know, it's a rose with thorn, right? You gotta love it, and there has to have some sticky, prickly moments about it.
Yeah.
But on an overall judgment,
Love Jamaica.
love Jamaica.
Don't
You
wanna
know what I
leave.
mean? I would live here, of course, definitely in a heartbeat. You know, once I get my finances right and everything is okay, where I can acquire a home and probably a small investment or a major investment. You know, Jamaica is definitely home. It feels like home.
Yeah.
It feels belonging, and the people are warm and friendly. The people are very assisting, you know, and welcoming. So, thumbs up for Jamaica in more ways than one. Makes you proud to be a Jamaican, you know, when you know that, well, despite the high prices and even poverty in some areas, the warmness and friendliness of people.
Although I was born in England, British, but I have dual citizenship for Jamaica.
Not only dual citizenship,
And
she's Jamaican by parents.
Born in Jamaica, so
Both parents of ours are Jamaican. They were born here,
yeah.
and she was born in England, so she has dual citizenship. She's Jamaican British.
Jambrit.
Jambrit, exactly. That's one of our labels that we have played with recently, Jambrit. So, we're going to show you guys what's in front of us, and then we'll sign out and see you at the pool or after the pool. So,
Ciao.
ciao.
Some find house, some find cars, some find rings that are different things, but we found love. Girl, we found love. Girl, I want to love you. Let me kiss and hug you. Just wanna rub your body down. Been so long I want you. I've been waiting for you. I will catch you if you fall. Cause something slow like a river makes money shiver. Can't wait to deliver.
So, we're now at the pool. We're about to go in the water. I'm about to go in the water. She's about to go in the water.
I'm ready, I'm waiting on you.
Alright, so I won't be filming us in the water, but I'll just get in. Don't feel like taking my phone in the water this time. Just get soaked. So, see you guys later. Peace.
Been so long I want you. I've been waiting for you. I will catch you if you fall. Love is a powerful thing. Takes you higher than a mountain. Even when you know you're right, you still want to say you're sorry. She makes natural fire, brings out the liar. Found a girl of island, oh she captured my heart. Girl, I want to love you. Let me kiss and hug you. Just wanna rub your body down.
Right. Yep, that was the pool. Now we're heading back to
What, about 4 laps each?
here. A good little soak, I would call it. So now we go back to the villa, see what's there to eat, and oh yeah, got patties left, so I'll have a patty, and after that I'll probably have a mango. Yeah, so good. Yeah. Gotta love Jamaica. People speak here. People say hello, people greet you, good morning, good afternoon, you know. Everybody's happy. How can you not be happy in this? Where in Switzerland could I walk around like this?
Yeah. It's a dull day, the sun's gone in, but it's
Still
warm
hard.
as hell.
Hey.
Hi. Drone guy.
Yes, I've got the drone. It's at home. Okay. All right. There we go. Friends everywhere. Little friends and big friends. All right. Check you guys when we get back in.
Alright. Some find house, some find cars, some find rings that are different things, but we found love.